Excited na ba kayo magsimula ang lahat? Kapag nirelease ba namin yung EP, maaasahan ba namin na nandito pa rin? Okay, so dapat lang kasi kasama natin sila sa simula. Dapat kasama natin sila sa... Okay na. Kung kasama namin kayo sa simula, dapat kasama namin kayo sa... So kung sabihin nga, maraming salamat. Thank you all so much for... for always loving us. The beginning up until now. Talagang walang sa... sobrang... yun nga kagagawa sinabi sa iyo. We are worried na syempre nagkaroon na ng cancellation before. But now we're back here again. And talagang nandito pa rin kayo para supportahan kami. Maraming salamat from the bottom of our hearts. You guys are the best. Amazing. Stella. Ano? Actually guys, sobrang dami namin gusto ipagpasalamat sa inyo lahat. Unang-una, lagi namin, kanina sinabi ko na rin na nagkaroon kami ng problem before and talagang hindi kami nakapagtuloy ng tour, na-cancel yung ibang Asia tour, but na-feel namin, nakakala namin that's the end of us. Ang OA niyo, sabi lang namin, we thought. Sabi lang namin we thought, di ba kasi namin end na talaga? Akala namin, end na namin yun, but because of all your support and love toward group SB19, talagang we managed. Talagang nagawa namin. And dahil dyan, we hope that you all continue to support SB19 and of course, P-Pop. Alam namin na... Supportan niyo ba yung P-Pop all the way? Supportan niyo ba yung P-Pop all the way? Oo, kasi dapat di mag-perform na sa Coachella eh. Be very happy kung ano man ang mangyayari.
Kailan na lang ito. Kasi
gusto ulit namin mag-thank you everyone for coming tonight. Sobrang, we are very happy and our hearts are very, it's very,
jumping.
Yeah, it's very intense. But sadly, we are almost near the end of the show. As this ang OA talaga, meron pa naman. May moments pa kami, wait lang, hindi tapos yung And before we say goodbye, we would like to thank a lot of people for making Pagtatag Dubai possible tonight. Of course, first off, the Pagtatag Dubai major sponsor, Cityscape Travels and Tourism. Maraming salamat po. Hot Palayok Restaurant and Grill Dubai, Ichirio Ramen House, Gcash UAE, and Philippines Supermarket. Maraming salamat po. Our Dubai media partners, thank you for always welcoming us. The Global Filipino Magazine, Emirates, Love Philippines, Tag 91.1. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Thank you so much.
Yes, and to our official carrier of the Pagtatag World Tour, thank you, Philippine Airlines. Maraming salamat po. Sa Filipino, of course, thank you to our official tour leader, the Filipino channel. I want TFC, Mix, Global, and of course, ABS-CBN Global Limited.
Yes, and syempre, a big thank you for supporting us anywhere we go. Sony Music Philippines, maraming salamat po. And of course, Sony Music Philippines. Thank you so much, Sony Music Philippines.
And of course, hindi ko namin kakalimutan magpasalamat. Thank you so much to our Dubai promoter, Maybe Productions. Thank you so much.
Thank you to our awesome SB19 team, Lex Entertainment and Monty Entertainment. That's been with us since the beginning of this tour. And thank you also to the venue staff, the agenda. Maraming salamat po itong venue nito. And thank you to everyone who made this Pagtatag World Tour Dubai a big success. Congratulations. Of course, syempre hindi namin nakakalimutan 18. Maraming salamat. Okay, so April 29, magkita-kita po tayo sa Japan. Meron dyan mga pupunta ng Japan? So, sa Japan. And of course, ang pinakahintay ng lahat, May 18 and 19 for the pagtatag finale! Hindi ako pupunta dito kasi mga ha? So, tanda kasi, no? Sino dito nakabili? Wala?
Kasi kailangan yung mga Pilipino to, usually parang nagkakamit sila eh. Yung mga tayo mahaba ng QV. So, nahinapan ka sa
But before we say goodbye and before we continue with our last set of performances, can we have a request, AT? Kasi parang sa lahat ng countries and cities na napuntahan namin, nakasama namin sila mag-gento. Siyempre,